Introducing the 2016 Toyota Tundra. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 90,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle delivers the best of sporty styling and modern efficiency. Confidence comes standard thanks to driver-focused design, state-of-the-art safety features, and a premium feel. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, backup camera, fog lamps, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection, stability control, traction control, tow hooks. Don't miss the opportunity to enhance your driving pleasure while you take advantage of the latest advances in efficiency. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience.